Good morning, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, my name is Tom Smith. I have a reservation for a room.
Thank you, Tom. Can you please show me your passport? I need to confirm your details.
Sure, here is my passport. It is in my hand right now.
Thank you. I see your booking now. The room is for 3 nights.
That is exactly right. I am staying here until Friday morning.
Everything looks good with the booking. Your reservation is confirmed.
Great. Is my room ready now? I arrived a little early.
Yes, the room is ready. Check-in starts at 2 p.m.
Oh, that is wonderful news. Thank you very much for the quick service.
Your room number is 405. The room is located on the 4th floor.
Room 405. Okay, I understand the number. Where is the lift to go up?
You can take the lift. It is just around the corner, over there.
The lift. Got it. Do you have free Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free for all guests. The password is hotel guest.
Hotel guest. That is easy to remember. Thank you for the connection details.
Here is your key card now. Please make sure to keep this safe.
Thank you for the key. I will put it immediately in my wallet.
Breakfast is served downstairs every day. It is from 7 to 10 a.m.
What are the breakfast hours? 7 to 10 a.m. I will try to be on time.
Do you have many heavy bags? I can call a porter to assist you.
No, thank you. That is kind. I only have this small backpack. I can carry it myself.
Enjoy your stay here, Mr. Smith. You can call us if you need help.
Excuse me, Anna. I need to ask you something. Can you help me find a place?
Yes, Tom, of course. How can I help you right now?
I want to exercise this evening. Where is the hotel gym?
The fitness center is in the basement. You need to go 1 floor down.
In the basement. Is the gym open now? I want to go later.
Yes, it is open for a long time. It closes late at 10 p.m.
That is great to know. How do I get to the basement from here?
Walk past the small flower shop first. Then you walk straight ahead.
Walk straight, past the flowers. Okay, that sounds easy.
After the flowers, you will see the stairs. Please go down the stairs.
Down the stairs to the basement. I understand the way.
The door to the gym is next to the swimming pool area.
Oh, is there a swimming pool too? That is a pleasant surprise.
Yes, the pool is quite big. It is a nice and clean place.
Can I use the pool today? Is it free for all the hotel guests?
The pool is also free to use. You can swim there anytime you want.
Thank you for all this information. What about dinner tonight?
The main hotel restaurant is located on the 1st floor. It is very popular.
Is the restaurant ready for dinner now? I feel a little hungry.
Dinner starts at 6 o'clock this evening. It is only 5 o'clock right now.
It is 5 p.m. I will go and relax first. I will wait 1 hour.
We have a small map of the hotel facilities. Would you like a copy?
Thank you very much for the map. It will help me navigate a lot.
You are very welcome, Tom. Have a good time exercising.
Thank you, Anna. See you again later tonight. Hello, this is Tom calling. I am in room 405.
Hello, Tom. This is Anna, speaking at the front desk.
I have a small issue in my room. Can someone please help me?
Oh dear, I am very sorry to hear that. What exactly is the problem?
The air conditioning unit does not work. The room is very warm.
Oh, I apologize for the heat. I understand your discomfort completely.
Can someone please fix it quickly? I need the cool air now.
Yes, of course. I will call maintenance right away for you.
Thank you for doing that. How long until they arrive here?
The worker will be there in about 10 minutes. Please just wait a little.
10 minutes. Okay, I can wait. I will stay in the room.
Is everything else in the room satisfactory for you?
The bed is excellent and very comfortable. I like the view from the window.
That is good. Do you need any extra clean towels? Or maybe an extra pillow?
No, thank you. The towels you provided are enough.
Is the TV working correctly? Do you like the available channels?
Yes, the TV is working fine. The picture quality is very clear.
Good. The maintenance worker's name is Mark. He will fix the problem.
Mark. I will look for him soon. Thank you for telling me his name.
He will call your room from the lobby first. Please open the door for him.
I will open the door as soon as he calls. No problem at all.
I hope it is a fast repair job. Have a restful afternoon.
Thank you for your fast response and help. Have a good day working.
You too, Tom. Please call back if the problem is still there later.
I will call again if the air conditioning is not working. Bye for now. Hello, Anna. I am back. The air conditioning is now fixed. Thank you very much.
That is really great news, Tom. I am happy that it is solved.
I want to explore the city today. Where is the best place to visit first?
The old city area is very charming. It is the most beautiful area here.
I enjoy looking at old buildings. Is the old city far from the hotel?
It is not too far away from us. You can easily walk there today.
That is good. Approximately how long does the walk usually take?
It will take maybe 20 minutes. It is a nice short walk for you.
20 minutes walking. That is good exercise for me.
You could also take the local bus instead. The bus stop is very close.
Where is the bus stop exactly? Can you point it out on the map?
Go outside the hotel entrance, then you turn right on the main street.
Outside and turn right. I see the direction. I will look for the bus sign.
You need bus number 12. It will take you right to the main square.
Bus number 12. Does this bus come regularly?
Yes, the bus arrives often. It runs every 15 minutes.
That is very helpful information. Thank you for these details.
There is a nice public park near the square. Do you like parks?
Yes, I love nature very much. I will visit the park too.
The park is next to the big museum. The museum has nice paintings.
Is the museum expensive to enter? Do I need to buy a ticket?
No, the museum is free on Tuesdays. Today is Thursday, so it costs money.
Okay, I will visit the old city first. I need to get a cold drink now.
There is a good coffee shop just outside. They have great drinks there.
Thank you for your great advice, Anna. See you later this evening.
Hello, this is Tom calling. I am in room 405 again.
Hi, Tom. What do you need today? Is there anything missing?
I need some things for the room now. I have a small request.
Of course. What exactly can we bring to your room quickly?
Can I have 2 extra bottles of water, please? I am very thirsty.
Extra water. Yes, we will send it up right away.
Thank you. The weather is very warm outside. I need the water.
I know the weather is hot today. We want you to stay hydrated.
Also, I need a new soap bar. The old one in the bathroom is small.
New soap. No problem at all. Anything else you need now?
Do you have an iron for my shirt? I need to iron it now.
We do not have irons inside the rooms. It is not safe for guests.
Oh, I see. What can I do with my wrinkled shirt?
The laundry service can iron it very well. It is a very fast service.
How much does the laundry service cost? Is it expensive?
It costs only $5 for one shirt. It is a good price.
$5? That is cheap. I will use the service.
Please leave the shirt by the door now. The staff will take it soon.
I will put the shirt near the door immediately.
And the water and soap will arrive in 2 minutes. The staff is fast.
That is incredibly fast service. Thank you so much, Anna.
My pleasure, Tom. Is your stay going well overall?
Yes, I love the city very much, and the hotel is very clean and quiet.
That is excellent feedback for us. Have a very nice evening.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye for now.
Good morning, Anna. I am checking out now.
Good morning, Tom. Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, I had a very good time here. I really like the hotel.
I am glad to hear that. May I have your key card, please?
Sure. Here is the key card for my room, 405.
Thank you. Let me quickly check your bill now.
Do I have any extra charges on my bill? I hope not.
Yes, you have a charge for the laundry service. You ordered it yesterday.
Ah, yes, the laundry for my shirt. I remember that clearly.
Your total bill is $305. Does this amount look correct to you?
Yes, $305. It looks correct.
How would you like to pay for the room and services?
I want to pay with my credit card.
Okay. Please insert your card into the machine now.
Here is my card. The payment is going through right now.
Thank you. The payment is complete and successful.
Great. Can you call a taxi for me now, please?
Yes, of course. Where are you traveling to today?
I am going to the main train station. My train is soon.
The train station. The taxi will be here in 3 minutes.
Thank you for all your wonderful help this week.
You're very welcome, Tom. It was very nice to meet you.
I will definitely stay at this hotel next time too.
We hope to see you again soon. Have a very safe trip.
Thank you, Anna. Goodbye.